Hi, Om. Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Yeah, hi ma'am. I'm doing great. And how are you, ma'am?
I'm also doing well. Thank you so much for asking. So, we are meeting for the very first time. So, I'd love to know about you, Om. Could you introduce yourself?
Yes, yes. I hail from Ahmedabad, Gujarat itself. I was pursuing my graduation in Government Dental College, and currently I graduated from Government Dental College Ahmedabad in like October 2024. So I am a freshers right now, and I have joined other clinics to do extra practices on the in that.
Oh, that's great. Very glad to hear about you that I got chance to connect with the one doctor. Right. Should I introduce myself before diving into the conversation?
Yes, yes, sure, ma'am.
Okay. So my name is Susmita Kaushik, belong to Assam, currently reside in UP, holding master and PGDCA. Apart from I'm married, mother of one kid, simultaneously I run YouTube channel by the name of Global English Quest, where I upload conversation and sometimes daily solo video. It's totally based on learning spoken English. Yeah, that's pretty much
Yes.
about myself. So, okay, that's I really got inspired with you. You are well educated. So, what prompted you to have session with the people or with YouTubers?
To be honest, ma'am, if I were to say, I would say that I want to pursue my higher education for in abroad, and for that
Okay.
I have gave IELTS exam for two times, but unfortunately I got less band in speaking. I couldn't
Mhm.
crack it. Overall score was good for me, but speaking I just got 5.5 band. So
Mhm.
that's the courage or that's idea that I have to converse with someone so I can get that much fluency.
So, okay. Oh, no worry. It's happened. People are not perfect from everywhere, right? We have to focus each
Yes,
and
yes.
every part. So, okay, how long have you been working on your communication skill?
I would say I've been working for like 2 or 3 months
Okay.
for that.
Okay, you are saying that this is your second video conversation. Before that, you are using as fluency and CV, right?
Yes, yes.
So, how did you find? What's the new experience you found that having video conversation? What is the different you found?
The difference between is that there is no not much difference, but I'm little bit nervous that I'm connecting with someone like a well-known person like YouTuber.
Okay.
And apart from that, I can also say that if you are like rather than audio call, if you are on video call, that the thoughts will automatically come in your mind that you have to say that you have to say next. This is the second line.
Okay. Obviously, you can boost your confidence, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Everything you can focus, your body language, non-verbal communication, your eye
yes,
contact, isn't it? You have to sit in a proper manner to have session.
yes,
So yeah, that is the benefit of having video call, right?
yes, yes,
So okay, that's great. So to be your doctor, must you have to be a punctual, right? So are you a
yes,
punctual
yes.
person?
Yes, yes, I am a punctual person, but in winter I feel
Yeah.
drowsy and lazy.
Uh,
So I just find it difficult to have that much energy in winter. Apart from that, I'm a very active and very punctual person towards my career, towards my goals, and I'm very determined to have it.
okay, that's great. Next one, are you preparing for go abroad, isn't it?
Yes, yes,
Dear
yes.
job, I want to do job. Is there any particular hospital you have thought that I want to join in this hospital?
Yes, as I'm planning to go abroad, I'm planning to do my master's in Canada. And for that,
Okay.
I have to crack the basic exams for like theory and practical exams for that, for pursuing dentistry in foreign country. But
Mhm.
it is not possible, quite hard, I would say. So it is not possible for everyone. So currently, I am planning to pursue another healthcare course in Canada. So if I get a PR in that scenario, then I will shift my focus on dental hygienist practice in Canada. And after that, I will crack my dentistry exam, license exam.
Okay. Okay, I don't have that much idea about the, doctor line. So, okay, is there anything special that you want to share with people that it could be beneficial for them to take care their self? They should not go to the doctor. Is there anything precaution they can take, or for me itself?
Yes, definitely there are a lot of things to be avoided. Like if I'm a dentist, I'm brushing one time, to be honest. But I would say if you are taking meals in between your first and last meal, you have to just wash your mouth. Just some sticky foods, if you got stuck in your teeth, it will hamper your teeth, and suddenly you will find some discoloration on your teeth, like black discoloration. It's also called decay, and eventually it lead to pathway to the roots of teeth. And if you and then you have to go for RCT.
Yes.
So just if you feel that I had some meal or sticky food, then just wash your mouth or you can go for gargles.
Okay. So few months back, I think 1.5 months back, I also was getting little sensitivity on my teeth. So
Yes.
doctor suggested me to add some salt in a lukewarm water and just gargle. So I did, and they prescription one Sensodyne paste for
Yes, yeah.
me. So it was also beneficial for me. I am doing still.
Mhm.
So yes, what is the reason of happening this thing? Suddenly it started happen to me. So what
Okay,
could be the cause?
yes. Yeah, there are the many reasons, but if I have to diagnose first your teeth, and then I can suggest you the if you have that reason or any particular thing that the food also lodges into teeth between your two teeth, then it will happen because your dentinal sensitivity happen and dentinal tubules will be open, and it will lead to a hypersensitivity. And the one toothpaste that you have already mentioned, that Sensodyne, it is only blocking your dentinal tubules.
Okay.
So it is working on that principle. So you will
Okay.
know when you are feel like have some air into your teeth or some cold water, you will get sensitivity in your teeth. So open
Mm-hmm.
tubules are the main reason for that.
Okay. I was getting pain with the hot water as well. So I
Yes,
went to the
yes.
doctor. Yes, both cold and hot water.
Yeah.
So I rushed to the
Mhm.
doctor and they suggested me it's not that much major. You can do
Yes,
home
yes.
remedy like you can add some salt in lukewarm water and gargle for 3-4 times every day. For 15 days, I think.
Mhm.
So yes, okay. I am just taking advice from you, and I'm a patient and you are a doctor. Okay, not we are not going this way. So I just want to know how did you choose to be a doctor, and is there anyone motivated you to be a doctor, or it was your dream to be a dentist?
Yeah, it was my dream since my childhood that I
Okay.
have to become a doctor in future. So for that scenario, I also, joined one classes in my pastime in my childhood, and but some circumstances that happened before my exam, NEET PG exam, like I got malarial fever, so I couldn't practice that much in my exam, and I scored overall marks in that NEET PG, NEET UG exam. Sorry.
Okay.
So I was wanted to go in medical stream like MBBS, but I discussed with my parents that I have to take some drop here so I can prepare for another time. But my parents don't allow me. And I also discussed with one of my favorite teacher, like science teacher, and also he also suggested me to pursue my dentistry because nowadays people are getting aware about such things.
Hmm. So,
And with my marks, I also able to got admission in like
okay.
paramedical fields like BAMS, BHMS. But particularly, I find it very challenging like dentistry. One of my brother-in-law is also dentist, and he's
Oh.
earning like a 4 to 5 lakhs per month
Mhm.
currently. and also doing some implant practice, implantology, like aesthetic dentistry. They are getting aware about things. Like celebrities are also aware, and they are doing such things.
Oh, wow. That's great. You are getting support and motivate from your brothers, right?
Yeah.
That's great. So, anything would you like to ask to me? Because I have been asking continuously. If you have any question, then you can go through it.
Yes, ma'am. I just wanted to know that how you started your journey for English speaking. So basically, you are from English medium or your mother language you are from?
I'm from Assam, so I have completed my all education. I think till graduation, I have completed by Assamese medium. And once I started to do master in education, that I did by English. So
Mhm.
there was I did by IGNO. So there was also not any ambience talk to anyone. It was just a home assignment, and we have to go to the college and give examination. That's it. So yes,
Yes, yes.
that's how I have completed my all education. And talk about my learning journey. It's been more than 1 year I have started. I learned by watching videos, talking to people, sometimes reading books. So yes, that's how I have been learning. Now we have got opportunity to have session with people, to talk with people with a different kind of platform. Like you already mentioned that CV application and as fluency application. I also used to on this application before coming into the conversation on Skype application. So that's
Yes.
how I was using. And once I got to know about the Skype application, we get to people with whom we can connect on video conversation. It's also cherry on the cake for us, right? So we can build our confidence. We can share each and everything. We can see it in a one place, and eye contact, non-verbal, everything we can develop by having video session. So I jump into this site, and since then it's been I think 10 months. I have been continuously talking to people on Skype application. That's what is going on so far so well.
And that was the idea or thought that I drove myself to this platform. That I have to build my confidence and fluency.
So obviously you already are good at English. There is a no doubt. So must you have come across lots of things, and much you got some or the other friends with whom you can talk to, isn't it? Right.
No, in my case, there is no any conversation with my friends. Even in my college, there was English medium. Before my college, I studied in Gujarati medium school and everything stuff like that. That was in Gujarati. Only that I got knowledge from my English subject only. It was my secondary subject. But in my college, I had to read all the books in English.
Okay.
But so at the Viva point, when teachers asking you about Viva, you said some broken English or with the Gujarati in mix between. So that's why I wanted to learn about this fluency, and I wanted to brush up my knowledge and my fluency.
Okay, so what worked for you? Because there are four way to learn, right? Reading, speaking, speaking, watching, and writing. So what works you mostly?
So basically, I would say listening to podcast or listening to conversation and shadowing practice is the best thing uh, that allow me to have this that much. I'm not perfect. I built some little bit fluency. So with do practice and reading, yeah, reading is also must. And some phrases you have to keep in your mind that in your subconscious mind, you know whenever you're trying to speak you will stuck at you are not getting it into the surroundings like you are not able to if you are not able to just identify the things in english or you are thinking in english then definitely it will hamper your fluency.
Obviously, it can help a lot. So, okay, you are from English medium students. I belong to Assamese, so it's quite different, you and I, right? So it's everything. It's new for me. Whenever I come across reading books, so every now and then I get new vocab, right? So, but you are familiar the whatever is written in book, right?
Yes, yes.
So it help you, isn't it? So, what do you think that? is English medium student can speak very properly or in a fast manner in
Say,
compared to Bangla medium.
yes, same. Uh, as I said, as I mentioned earlier, that I was also from Gujarati medium. I just started my studying English, studying my pursuing my dentistry. So I got this English from that environment, from reading itself. So
Yes.
for my I would say 4 or 5 years, I just read a lot. Like I was a student person, I would say. So
Mhm.
that really helped me a lot. And apart from that, since I've been for past from reading itself. So
Yes.
for my I would say 4 or 5 years, I just read a lot. Like I was a student person, I would say. So that
Mhm.
really helped me a lot. And apart from that, since I've been for past 2 3 months that I've been practicing this shadowing practice and like seeing YouTube videos that I brush up my fluency from that. Apart from that, I didn't had any uh, friend talk with whom I can talk to.
Okay, you do not have friends.
Yeah.
Okay. Everyone has the same, problem that they do not have partner. But anyhow, we have to manage by virtual, and you are managing.
Following some other YouTubers also like Sweta ma'am, Rajni ma'am, and I just plan to have conversation with them also. And I also wanted to, I mean, keep myself indulged in these things so I can get this fluency. And also looking forward to have more conversation with you and also taking lessons from you.
Sure, sure, no problem. We can manage this one also. So, okay, need to worry about, and I don't think that you should take any extra session to enhance your communication because you have a bookish knowledge, isn't it? You have bookish knowledge if you do practice with someone, I think in a regular basis on a video or audio, so you can improve yourself, and you have already improved a lot. I must say that I really admire. This is your second session. You are saying that you are confident enough, you do not have any kind of agitation while while having session, whatever I have
Yes, yes,
observed so far. So I don't think you should take any extra session for enhance your communication. You can go with the flow, whatever you are doing. It's quite sufficient. You are watching videos, you are talking to people, and you are reading, right? You are
yes,
reading,
yes,
and you will get the all vocabulary in your book, whatever you need to use in your niche, isn't it? No need to
yes,
be.
yes,
You do not prefer to be a stage, speaker or motivational speaker or anything. You do not prefer to be right now. You want to be a doctor of your dentist line, so everything you get in your book, whatever
yes,
phrases
yes,
or whatever word you have to use in your niche, isn't it? So you
yes,
can use, or if you get chance to connect with the people in your needs itself, if you can convince your friends that it's required to talk to each other, it's very mandatory this language, so let's have a plan to discuss in this topic or that topic. That's how you can manage with them. That's how you can enhance your communication or your word. You can practice with your practice in your muscle. So that's how you can do. There is no any extra effort. I don't think that you should put. You are already good at English.
yes.
You are able to communicate with people in a random. So if you want to focus on your needs, then must you have to do these things. It can help you.